Today we're taking an in-depth look at the Vivo T4x, a phone that's been making waves in the budget to mid-range segment. Is it really worth your money or just another device lost in the crowd? Let's find out. First up, design. The Vivo T4x has a sleek matte finish with subtle curves that make it comfortable to hold. It's slim, lightweight, and doesn't feel cheap, even though it's priced competitively. The camera module is bold but tastefully integrated, giving it a modern look. Moving to the front, the phone packs a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Colors are vibrant, viewing angles are solid, and the smoothness while scrolling or gaming is immediately noticeable. The bezels aren't the thinnest in the segment, but for the price, this is more than acceptable. Under the hood, the T4x is powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset, paired with up to 8 GB of RAM. Day-to-day tasks are snappy, multitasking is handled without hiccups, and even demanding games like Genshin Impact run at respectable frame rates. It's not a flagship killer, but for its class, performance is impressive. Now onto cameras. The Vivo T4x sports a 64MP main shooter, accompanied by a 2MP depth sensor. In daylight, shots are sharp with good dynamic range. Colors lean slightly towards saturation, which makes photo social media ready. In low light, the dedicated night mode kicks in, producing usable results, though noise is noticeable. Video recording tops out at 4K 30fps, with decent stabilization for handheld shots. The 16MP front camera is reliable for selfies and video calls. Battery life is another strong point. With a 5000 mAh battery, the T4x comfortably lasts a full day of heavy use, or 2 days with moderate use. Charging is handled via 44W fast charging, topping up from 0 to 50% in about half an hour. It's not the fastest in its class, but it's dependable. On the software side, it runs FunTouch OS based on Android 14. The interface is feature-rich, though it still comes with some pre-installed apps you might want to uninstall. The good news is that Vivo promises regular updates for security and system stability. So how does the Vivo T4x stack up against the competition? At this price, it goes head-to-head with devices like the Redmi Note 13 and Realme Narzo 60X. While those offer similar hardware, the T4x sets itself apart with its balanced package, solid performance, great display, and dependable battery life. Final verdict: if you're looking for a reliable all-rounder with a sleek design and smooth performance, the Vivo T4x should definitely be on your shortlist. It's not perfect, especially in low-light photography, but overall, it delivers fantastic value for the price. That's my full review of the Vivo T4x. What do you think about this phone? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.